I'm sharing a few tips with you that can help you manage your daily life. Along with that, these can also be shared with the community and can benefit your health as well. Relationship management not only helps us manage stress and depression, but also improves our skin and boosts our immune system. Similarly, if we're feeling anxious and we splash cold water on our face, our anxiety starts to decrease immediately. For those who are victims of anxiety attacks, this is a very quick fix. I often mention that deep breathing helps, but along with that, if you splash cold water on your face, you'll notice your anxiety levels dropping right away. Similarly, if you are drinking cold water in your stomach, like on an empty stomach, then it not only reduces your cholesterol, but along with that, it also boosts your cholesterol. Similarly, it's said that if your brain freezes and you feel like it's not working at all, just pinching your hand will activate your brain and it will start responding. If you have a presentation to give, an interview to attend, or a speech to deliver, if you read that presentation or speech once before going to bed, you'll remember it better in the morning and present it effectively. In the same way, if you give yourself a message before sleeping, when you wake up, that information will be processed in your mind and your first thought will be the same one you told yourself the night before. So it's important to fill your mind with good thoughts. A great thought to wake up to could be telling yourself that you will wake up with a smile on your face. That smile will be there because you told yourself to smile. An interesting fact is that our brain is active when we are relaxed and at peace. That's when it thinks and processes things best. Similarly, if you feel sleepy at night and then when you go to the office in the morning, you find yourself feeling sleepy in the middle of the day. Similarly, if you give yourself a message before going to sleep at night, when you wake up in the morning, that information will be processed in your mind, and your first thought will be the same one you told yourself the night before. That's why it's very important to fill your mind with good thoughts. A great thought to wake up to could be telling yourself that you will wake up with a smile on your face. That smile will be there because you told yourself to smile. An interesting fact is that our brain is most active when we are completely relaxed and at peace. That's when it thinks and processes things the most effectively. Similarly, if you feel sleepy at night and can't fall asleep, then when you go to the office in the morning, you find yourself feeling very sleepy in the middle of the day. So, if you can hold your breath for as long as possible, your sleep will completely refresh you, meaning it will end your fatigue and you'll start to feel active again. Similarly, it is said that people who is very lazy about themselves feel very lonely. Often those people take long showers, which means that their bathing time becomes quite long. If you feel like your brain isn't properly focusing or concentrating, pressing your tongue against the roof of your mouth will help bring back your focus, attention, and concentration. I hope these are some tips that will help you take great care of yourself while improving yourself. I'll see you again in a new video. We'll talk about a new topic. Until then, take care.